welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. Today I'm making a curry cauliflower with white rice, and these are my ingredients. I have here my cauliflower, carrot and celery, onion, garlic, and some white beans. I have here ground ginger, turmeric, black pepper and salt, and my curry powder, and I'm using plant butter. It's a vegan meal, quick and easy. Okay, I'm gonna put my butter. Okay, let's get over here. Have my pot going. Oh Lord. Yes. Gotta get my camera set up properly. I'm gonna put some olive oil in. Some butter. My onions. Garlic. Like a lot of garlic. Cook my curry. Put my curry in. And a little turmeric. Also a little ginger powder, just eyeball it. So pretty that is. I'm gonna drop my carrot and celery. And I'm gonna drop my cauliflower. Gonna add a little water. Put that color. We drop our beans in. It's all done. Okay guys, there is it. Curry cauliflower. And this is my rice over here. White rice. Yay. Yummy supper today. Okay guys, thanks for coming into my home. God bless you. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.